Let's learn about scaling ratios in real-life context. In a gaming tournament, for every 5 players who play strategy games, there are 2 who play action games. If there are 28 action game players, how many strategy game players are there? Well, we want to make a ratio here. Let's make a ratio here of the strategy games players, so strategy, 2 with a colon here. We have the next one with action. So we have strategy game players to action game players. They tell us that 5 players play strategy games for every 5 players. So 5, we have a ratio 2, and then action here was 2. So we have a 5 to 2 ratio. Now, they tell us here, so we're highlighting this, 5 players, 2, we play action games right here, right? Now they're telling us we have 28 action game players. So on the side of the action, I'll put a 28 here, and I'm going to see how many strategy game players go with that ratio. But if you notice, from getting 2 to 28, we're multiplying by a 14. 2 times 14 gets us that 28. So we're going to apply that here with 5. We're going to multiply by 14 as well, and 5 times 14 is a 70. So for every 70 strategy game players, there are 28 action game players at this tournament. So our answer here would be 70 strategy game players. Well, I hope you learned something here about scaling ratios in real-life context. And as always, thanks for watching.